Friends, today it's been now 7 days. I had put this rice wash water in this bottle. It was approximately around 200 ml. So we might not need so much of the liquid here. What has happened is basically, if you have seen this white thin layer, there is a bacterial attraction. So this water could have already attracted a lot of bacteria from the air, and so what I will do is I will just extract the center part of the water, not the top one. I am not interested in this. And I am preparing the EM1 solution for around 500 ml of milk. So it's always 1 is to 10 ratio. So I just require around 50 ml of this solution. So I will show you the extraction process. Hold on. So I have a syringe here like this. I'll just going to section out the center part of the water, and this is a 50 ml cup. So if you see here, there is a marking. So this indicates the 50 ml. So I'm just going to take this much of solution for a 500 ml of milk. Okay, just a minute. So let me come back to you after taking around 50 ml. Adding 500 ml of milk to the same jar. Okay. Now from here on it's pretty simple. Uh, just take this 50 ml of the rice wash water which we had kept for 7 days for fermentation. Now this would have all the beneficial bacteria. Once added to this milk of 500 ml, this will start the separation process. It will start to react and it will form the lactic acid bacteria and lactobacillus bacteria, which is called as lab. Then later we will talk about how to prepare EM solution out of it. Once I add this, again this needs to go into a cooler place. Covering of cloth again is required, and this is again required for 7 days, so that there is a separation process which happens. We will see how it uh, separates the solids and collects the effective microorganisms in 7 days. So I'm adding this, and now just a small stirring is required so that everything is mixed well. That's it. Now I'll go ahead and cover back the solution. I'll ensure I'll fold this chief and just put a rubber band which will hold the container, and it also aerates well. Just add one more rubber band for safety, just in case the original one ensure it's all done. So let's watch after 7 days. There should be a separation. Thank you. After 7 days, the milk solids have separated out here, and this is the serum. This is also called as the EM1. So I'm going to just extract and filter out this milk solids and just compost it. And for this, I will add equal part of jaggery so that this can be kept without refrigeration. If I don't want to add any jaggery, then this needs to be kept in refrigerator and it can be used for 6 months. If I am going to add jaggery and just leave it to the room temperature, then I can use it for at least say 1.5 years to 2 years. So I'm just going to come back after extraction this serum using a filter. So I have extracted the earlier EM1, separated out the milk solid using this normal tea filter, and here is the final solution. And I have also taken jaggery, equal parts of jaggery, so that I just want to keep this solution in the room temperature, not in the refrigerator. So as and when I require, I can use it. So let me do a final filtration. The jaggery and EM1, right, effective microorganisms ones. Normally, the bacteria is now in a suspended state. So whenever you want to activate and use, you have to take approximately 30 ml of this concentrated solution, add around 30 grams of jaggery and 1 liter of water. As soon as you do this, the bacteria goes to an active state. It will take around 7 days to be active. And when you release the cap of the bottle, right, you can hear a small gas coming out of it. That shows that it's in an activated mode now. So be careful not to close the cap of the bottle or the lid too tight, because it might cause a lot of gases and the bottle might explode. So what I would recommend is, again, keep the bottle open or tie it out with a tight cloth so that there is sufficient aeration for the 7 days. After 7 days, just take around 10 ml of this solution per liter of water and spray it or put it onto the soil. That's it. It's very, very simple to use. Thank you.